I've been saying this since the beginning, and I'm going to say it forever, okay? Another person's beauty is never the absence of your own, okay? You're scrolling on TikTok and you see a girl lip syncing like, oh my god, that's so bad. And you're like, holy fuck, she's so pretty, what the fuck? And then you feel like shit, and you're like, oh, why am I not? And then you scroll and you see another hot girl and you're like, oh, why? Let me tell you something. Just because they are beautiful does not make you any less beautiful. It does not take your beauty away whatsoever, okay? So you don't look anything like her. Firstly, you look nothing like her, but you know what? She looks nothing like you at all, and that's really special, right? Okay, so say you're laying on the ground at nighttime, you're looking up at the stars, and the stars look beautiful. There's a shooting star, there's the Milky Way, and it looks so fucking beautiful, right? And then the next day you go to the beach, you're swimming in the ocean. Guess what? The beach is fucking gorgeous, but so were the stars that you saw last night. They're both absolutely gorgeous, right? But they look nothing alike. Same with you and whoever you compare yourself with, okay? So you're absolutely gorgeous, and so is she, and so is she. She's a moon, she's a star, she's a flower. You're a different type of flower. You're a rose, she's a daisy. Everyone looks different, but everyone's beautiful. No one is less beautiful than anyone else, okay? So never ever be jealous. Never ever be jealous. The night sky wouldn't be jealous of the flowers, okay? The snowy mountain with the snow glistening on it would not be jealous of the deep blue ocean. No need. Everyone's beautiful, everyone. So comparison is going to rip your heart out, okay? So the next time you're on TikTok and you compare yourself to someone else and you feel ugly because someone else is pretty, I'm going to be right there in your ear telling you that someone else's beauty is not the absence of your own, okay? I'm always in your ear. Never forget what I just said, okay? Okay, I love you. Good night.